The classification of the positive sense RNA viruses. So now we will start going to study the different viruses, the genetic makeup and their structure and their function, and especially most importantly their host interactions. Of course, we have already studied the viruses have the wide host range, so the host, which kind of disease they are causing, and which part of the animal body, human body, or plant body is interacting with the part of the viruses. So we will start from the positive sense RNA viruses. The positive RNA virus ribonucleic acid, as you know, the ribonucleic acid will act as genome. So it may be the single-stranded or the double-stranded ribonucleic acid. These belongs to group 3, 4, and 5 or Baltimore classification system. Just in front of you, the type of the DNA viruses and RNA viruses, the group 3, 4, and 5 of the viruses will be studied here. Double-stranded RNA viruses, they are two families are there, family Birniviridae and family Reoviridae. The genus in these families, we will going to study the Avibirnivirus and Aquabirnivirus. The species, infectious bursal disease virus, infectious pancreatic necrosis virus. These are very important viruses as far as animals are concerned, especially the infectious bursal virus disease. It is a disease which is causing infections in the bursa, and it is very chronic disease. It is causing very high economic losses in the poultry industry. Similarly, the infectious pancreatic necrosis virus we will going to study in this. Then the Reoviridae, the family is the Reoviridae. It has the genus Arthroreovirus, Orbivirus, Rotavirus, Coltivirus, and Echiora-virus. These are the mammally orthoviruses. The species are blue tongue virus, rotavirus, Colorado tick fever virus, and Equilio A virus. We will study the species in detail one by one, and all the viruses, how they are acting the disease here. Now the single-stranded viruses, again the family is Artiviridae and the genus is Artivirus, and the species is the equine Artivirus. Then Ostroviridae, Astrovirus, and human Astrovirus 1 is the species of this family. Then Calciviridae. Calciviridae is also very important virus, and we will study its the family. And the Vesivirus, Legovirus, and Hepatitis E-like viruses are causing this disease, hepatitis. Swine vesicular exanthema virus and hepatitis E virus. Of course, it is the species of that Calciviridae, and it is causing the hepatitis E in different human beings. Then Coronaviridae. Coronaviruses are also very important. Coronavirus and Torovirus. Infectious bronchitis virus, which is also called as IB. And then the equine Torovirus. It is also causing the diseases in the equines. Then the Flaviviridae. Really very important, and we are going to study this in detail, that flaviviruses are causing the disease of the yellow fever, and the most importantly in the human beings, the hepatitis C is caused by the flavivirus. We are still not able to have the animal models to study this in the vivo. So flavivirus has the three genuses, the flavivirus, hepavirus, and pestivirus. Flavivirus are causing the disease in the yellow fever, and the hepatitis C virus causing the disease hepatitis C and bovine viral diarrhea diseases. Then the picornaviruses, very small viruses, enterovirus, rhinovirus, and hepatoviruses are the genuses, and causing the disease and species are the poliovirus, human rhinovirus A, and hepatitis A virus. Then the Togaviridae, they have two genus of important value, alpha virus and ruby-virus, and they have the species which are causing the diseases are Synbis virus and rubella virus. Well, while studying all these viruses in detail, we have taken two very important things in mind. One of them, that first of all we have taken the human beings as an example, and we have studied all the important viruses which are mostly important with the human beings. However, we have also taken the special edge with the animals and the plants, and we have also studied, because it is very, very high course, and we cannot study everything, including with the viruses, but we have tried to also study the viruses involved with the animals and plants too.